Hey folks, Big Woodsman here. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Icotec 300 digital game call. So stay tuned. Let's see what we get into. So we just got this call sent to us. We have the electronic game call. It's the Icotec 300. It's a nice addition. Comes with a remote. It's going to have 15 preset sounds already on it. So let's get to it and open this guy up and see what it looks like. So the first thing we got here is our remote control. Pretty straightforward, easy to read. Nice belt clip. Battery case on the back is going to require a Phillips screwdriver, so we'll have to get that in a second. It's got its nice spot for a lanyard keeper here. Yeah, looks good, looks solid. And the next unit here is the actual call itself. Pretty straightforward, decent size, nice carrying handle. Antenna. The remote actually clips right on the side of the unit. So if you want to mount this, it can stay right on the side, so therefore you don't lose it for storage. Nice. And of course, our instruction operational manual with warranty card. So let's go through that. So the operating instructions on this are very, very simple. As you can see, the remote clips right on the side, which is great. It's a nice tight fit. It clips antenna first, slides in, mounts on the side. So the first thing we have to do is add our batteries. Battery on the call unit, the battery cover here on the side. Simple twist screw, finger, easy. Requires 4 batteries. We looked at some other calls. They require 10 AA batteries. This one was only 4. To me, it seemed like a better quality, better design, only 4 batteries. You don't need excessive batteries. The batteries I use for on any of my game calls, any of my digital cameras, anything, is a lithium-ion rechargeable battery. These are fantastic batteries. They last incredibly long. So that's what we're going to be putting in our call today. So the next thing we have to do is add batteries to our remote. And the batteries that this remote take are a little unique. They're an A23 battery. Now, I've heard some people online saying theirs are hard to find, they're difficult to get, anything. I had 0 problems, walked into the Walmart, picked it off the rack. So go to Walmart, they're about 10 bucks a piece, 20 bucks for a package. They're not super cheap, but they work. They're exactly what the remote calls for. So, not hard to find. Energizer seems to be the only one who makes them, but easy to get. The remote takes a Phillips screw on the back to undo the battery cover. There you are, one simple little cover, and then your A23 battery. on-off switch on the remote is right here on the side. When you turn it on, I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but a red LED comes on telling you you've got power. And now the next part is that we need to pair this remote to our call. So right here on the side of the call, we've got two switches. We've got an on-off switch and we've got a Bluetooth switch. So if we wanted to play calls through our phone and connect Bluetooth to this unit, we can do that. So we're going to test that out shortly, but for right now, we're just going to turn it on. The LED should be red, and that shows you that your batteries are in good shape and the unit is on. Turn on our remote, the LED came on and then off again. We should be able to just, in theory, go ahead and play calls. So let's, I guess, try it and we'll see where we're at. This could be really loud, I don't know, we haven't set volume yet. We'll pause that. So it says right here that the sound that you pick will play to 34 seconds and it'll automatically replay. So depending on what you decide to pick, you're good to go for 40 seconds and then it'll replay. Let's pick another one just for sake of argument. Your classic cottontail. So I have that at extremely low volume. It'll go up to close to 110 decibels. So next thing we're going to do is try pairing it off our phone because we've got an extensive animal playlist on our phone. So let's try that next. So we'll turn the remote off and then move on to the Bluetooth pairing. What is that? What do you hear? What is it? What is it? What is it? Is that a coyote? Yes, it is. So the next thing to do to pair it to your phone is there's a pairing button right here. You have to turn it on and it'll flash blue. So it'll just constantly flash blue. Then you go into your phone, under your Bluetooth settings, search new device. It should come up the Icotec 300. If it does, push connect. It connects right away. And then we can go into our library, which here's just a quick example. And it'll pair right through your phone perfectly, just the same as anything. And away you go. Another option. So yeah, pairs through your phone perfectly. It also has all of the preset sounds on the remote. The remote buttons light up if you want to push the light button. So if you're coyote hunting at night, great. You can see your buttons, very easy. All in all, the system, very rugged, very good design. I'm very pleased with it. Very easy to set up. Seems to work quite well. So yeah, all in all, very happy with this call. It's loud, it's rugged, it's very durable, great construction. Everything seems to pair super well, super easy to work with. I like the way it's laid out, like the design. You can add a attractant, so basically you can put on your decoy, your pivoting decoy, which is fantastic. Yeah, all in all, a great call. Icotec, if you're looking to sponsor someone, happy to help out. Let's put this out in the field. Let's give it an actual field try, put it to use, see if we can make it work. Turn everything off. Connected, ready to go. So the one thing that I've been doing is you have all the preset calls on your remote, which is fine. They're all great, no problems. But depending on the time of year you're hunting, you may want to put together a calling sequence. So what I've done is I've gone online and you start downloading certain sounds that you want for that type of year. And when I get those sounds downloaded, I then put them into the editing software that I use to make videos. And I can just import audio and I can cut, snip, create a 14-minute basically timeline calling sequence that through Bluetooth on my phone, I can play that straight through the collar. So if anyone's interested, drop me a comment in the comment section below. I may just post a video on YouTube with just that 14-minute calling sequence. Then you can pull it up on your phone, you can push play, and you'll get that same calling sequence right through. So if you're interested, let me know below. Other than that, give me a like, give me a subscribe, of course. Keep these videos coming. And I'm going to take this guy outside on the next hunt, and we're going to give it a true field trial out in the field. So remember, it's life out there in the woods. I'll see you out there in it.